Welcome to our channel. If you want to download your Goodreads reading list for backup or to use with other apps, follow these step-by-step instructions to export your data. Step 1. Log into your Goodreads account by going to goodreads.com and entering your email and password or signing in with Amazon. Step 2. Click on My Books in the top navigation menu to view all your reading lists and shelves. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Import and Export link in the Tools section on the left sidebar. Step 4. Click on Export Library to begin the process of downloading your complete reading list as a CSV file. Step 5. Goodreads will generate your export file, which may take a few minutes depending on the size of your library. Be patient and don't close the page. Step 6. Once the file is ready, click the download link to save your Goodreads library as a CSV file to your computer. Step 7. Open the CSV file with spreadsheet software like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers to view and organize your reading data. Step 8. The exported file includes book titles, authors, ratings, dates read, and your reviews for all books on all your shelves. Step 9. You can import this CSV file into other reading apps or use it to create backup copies of your reading history and reviews. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.